Good morning. It's Monday morning. Look at this, sunshine for once. What is going on? We're in England, are we? So yeah, a bit disappointing after yesterday's Euros final again. Beaten. Hey, to be fair, I think Spain were a better team all the way through, weren't they? We can't really have any arguments. Just probably Southgate's negative Nancy, performance again, not bringing subs on who we're going to actually attack. But there you go. It is what it is. We won't dwell on that. But yeah, obviously we got to the final, so I promised lads day off if we got to the final. So they're not in today. Me and Carl are in. We're just going through some stuff, a couple of quotes to do together for some gates and railings and whatnot. So we're just going to get them together, and then this afternoon I'm going to meet an old mate that I went to building college with straight after school, 1988, who reminded me. Flipping heck, I'm getting all that. So yeah, quite a number of years ago. So I'm going to meet him over at IKEA. Big fencing job they've got round back there. They do all TARMAC and stuff like that. So yeah, hopefully that's a decent job for us. Tomorrow we're on with railings at Batley Grammar and some gates that Carl's been on with that he's made. He sort of left him in charge of that job. So yeah, we'll get some good footage this week. Baggy's actually on holiday. So, and Matt's going to be over at Batley Grammar as well. So be a full squad of us over there this week. We start another job here over at Batley Grammar. The kids broke up early here a week than other schools. Got quite a bit going on actually. Basically we're taking these old steel entrance gates down here. We take them down and basically we're moving them back to here. So basically the cars have got somewhere to drive into, and these are going to be automated. In fact, I've already sold these. One of them lads over there wants to buy them. So yeah, so we're going to put them across there. So we've got to dig that cable across for the automation, and then we're just getting set up now. We've got to go all the way up there, put a feed into this light, so it's not working. See our new road, so we'll go across the road, and then we've got to dig down there and get into that building basically. So we're going to dig along this edge and then get up to, there's actually a cable there. Just going to avoid this like, the feed in there, but I don't know if you can see that black cable there. So we're just basically going to go in there. And from that one there we've got to come along here and put a feed to this, but this is only 12 volt, so this is only access control, so it's not too bad. So yeah, we shall get on with it and keep you informed.
That's his pulling face. Jamie ain't got a face. So yeah, we're at Batley Grammar School this week, getting a few bits done here and there. So we're actually going to be trenching today all the way behind here, up there onto the wall. We're coming down over these, we'll cut space out, come down, that's an old wire going across, probably follow that across. We just need to be very careful of this one here. This is all internet, BT cables, everything to the school. And then we'll be coming down there doing that bit. We're coming through the bushes up to the top and doing that. We've got gates going in, all in black, all being fabricated by Carl, and that's ChamBear. Going down here with railings that we've got all the way across the wall, all the way back down. And yeah, we've got the full week booked in on this, especially with the trenching and tarmacking and putting in. It's like retrofitting a lot of stuff. So yeah, we'll get this done and it'll look amazing once we're been and gone. It's all getting automated by Matt as well, so happy days.
Yeah, so just back at Batley, scorching day. We've done most of the hard work now, just turn it to the apprentice in the background, that's apprentice. We've actually trenched all the way along there, all the way down here, all the way along here, where it vanished. With a bit of reinstating to do yet. Matt's just pulling his wires through now. There's Matt up sweating. So yeah, we've trenched all the way down here, but all this kind of collapsed because we had to get a wire into doing a renew light down here. But what we're going to do is cut that there and tarmac it all in one hit. Get some proper tarmac, and then that bit there, but he's still putting his wires in. And you can see where we've actually marked out here. That's going to be the exit loop there, and our gate posts are going to be going there. We've got a trench across there yet. New gates going on. We're just starting to get fencing in. Most of the trenching's done now. You need hand out, Matt? No, I'm alright. Yeah, we just got most of it in now. Got Lauren and Hardy up here, look, putting fencing up. That looks hard work. Good morning. What a lovely day it is again today. Look, we've even put fly screens up so we're sicker. Need the door open, all flies coming in, you can never get rid of them. Team of them, about £2. Yeah, so it's a lovely day again. Sun's just getting out now, look. We're scorcher. So yeah, the lads are just going to go back over to Batley today. Just get all prepped up, bit of reinstating, hang the gates, get the rest of the railings on. I think there's 2 railings to put on. Hang the gates, do the stopper at the bottom. That's just actually been. It's about 5 to 7 now. I'm just here before lads. Just got the gate leaves are actually there on the van, ready to go. You don't really need everything. Everything should be there, ready to go. And post mix, everything's on site. Just take it out, son. Can't see anything. Managed to find us sheet. You can see it there. For tarmac tomorrow. Normally we just do it in bags, but I'm actually going to get a ton from the tarmac plant on back at van. So yeah, I just got a couple of little flags to put in and stuff, bit of cement in today, get everything ready for tarmac tomorrow. So yeah, should be a good day all in all. I said the lads should be here shortly. I'm in the office today actually. I've got a guy I know is like a business specialist coming to just give me a hand with a few things, how to move the, well, I've sort of 4 businesses now, how to move them all forward in the same direction, so we're all sort of singing together. So he's like an operational sort of expert, he's coming to give me a hand with that. That should be interesting. Just got a few bits of admin to catch up, so I've been on site giving the lads a hand the last couple of days. So yeah, busy, and hopefully the lads will get some footage where they are today.
So Matt will wire all this up now. Well, that is already done gates, done intercom there, that's going in. Got our mates on site there, they're doing all groundworks over at other end. Post there, all this in. One more post to get in there, we'll start doing all this here. Gonna cut a nice edge up there, line it all in, get all that done for tomorrow. There we go, coming to nearly end of the day. Just getting this cementing done. Let's have a look. That's all prepped and ready to get tarmacking. All in, that's all wired up. Just doing last bits, put a bit of sand over it, bits of wet wire were exposed. Just like that. Be very careful when we're putting this tarmac in. Outside, sanding end, close in. All looking grand dozy. There we go. Another job complete. Well, still got automation to do, that's Matt's side. We've just finished all tarmacking up. Just doing last finishing touches. Carl's just doing his gates. That all finished nicely. Oh, don't forget we need to take these gates as well. These.
I was talking with caretaker and he said he was going to have a word about maybe just putting a standard fence stamp back.
Yeah, but I mean, you know, like that? Yeah, just this bit here.
All looking good. Matt's box is all in. We basically started from this rail here. And you'll be able to tell it's a different colour black. Intercoms there for him. I'll go in and out. Lads are off. All this nice and tarmacked. Boards over so there's not messy dints in it. Callum. Jamie up phone like usual. It's a natural sight that.
Ooh, how hot is it today? We're absolutely melting and we're doing tarmacking works. Just filling in all the tarmacking works. Come across here. Up there, we just nailed that last bit now.
We'll do that with
We decided to get a ton of it, but obviously we've tarmacked all this.
We've gone across the road, we've just put them boards down because the concrete wagon come as we're doing it. Typical. We've kind of finished that bit, we've just got a little bit to top up. I'm just going to concrete that little bit there and then just top this up slight little bit coming down this hill, and that's it. So yeah, but I just want to say we're down to 4,000 subscribers now, or up to 4,000 subscribers. Wait, that other day. Well done us, 4,000. So yeah, fantastic. It's took us a while, but yeah, we're getting there slowly but surely, building the channel. Thank you to everybody. But if you haven't subscribed and you're watching this, do it now please. Don't cost you nothing, it's free. Just get it done, yeah. Oh God, it's melting. Hopefully we'll be done in an hour or so, yeah. Just a few bits and bats to do. Gates up round corner there just to alter, and then Matt's gonna use gate automation on. Obviously this is what this channel is for, all-electric building. I shall call it there actually. I'll just get into the shade. I might as well call it. It's Friday afternoon now. Like I say, we're probably going to be done in an hour. I'll call it here at Batley Grammar. That's our work sort of done. Gates in, ready for Matt automating, and we'll see you next week. Thank you.